The Municipality of Barotac Viejo in the 5th District of Iloilo is a part of Western Visayas or Region 6. It is composed of 26 barangays. The total land area is about 185.78 kilometers squared or 71.73 square miles. The population of the Municipality of Barotac Viejo during the 2020 census is about 48,614, comprising 12,491 households. For its economy, the Municipality of Barotac Viejo is a third municipal income class. Its revenue in 2020 is about 188.1 million. Assets also in 2020, 440.1 million. Expenditure is 108.5 million in 2020. And liabilities is about 89.91 million in 2020. Its zip code is 5011. The Municipality of Barotac Viejo is politically subdivided into 26 barangays. Each barangay consists of poroks and some have sitios. The following are the 26 barangays comprising the Municipality of Barotac Viejo: Barangay Bugnay, Barangay California, Barangay del Pilar, Barangay de la Peña, Barangay General Luna, Barangay La Fortuna, Barangay Lipata, Barangay Natividad, Barangay Nueva Invención, Barangay Nueva Sevilla, Poblacion, Barangay Puerto Princesa, Barangay Rizal, Barangay San Antonio, Barangay San Fernando, Barangay San Francisco, Barangay San Jeronimo, Barangay San Juan, Barangay San Lucas, Barangay San Miguel, Barangay San Roque, Barangay Santiago, Barangay Santo Domingo, Barangay Santo Tomas, Barangay Ugasan, and Barangay Vista Alegre. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.